How to use Bitwarden in Chrome. For that purpose, you're just going to head over to the bitwarden.com website onto your Chrome browser. And from here, you can either get started and sign up for free, or you can simply log in. Once prompted, the login page, you just enter in your email address and enter in your master password as well, and then log in with your master password. Now, right here, you will be entered into your Vault section. This is where all of my saved passwords are going to be here. All of the logins, card details, identity, secure notes are going to be here. As of now, I don't have any Vault, anything added into my Vault, but you can add that in by clicking on New Item here. Here is where you can add in the name and select the folder or create a folder, what type of item this is. It could be a login, a card, identity, or a secure note. And you can enter in the URL for the web page that you're saving this password and login details for, add in a few notes and a custom field like, do you want it to be hidden, Boolean, linked, or do you want it in the textual form? I'll stick with the textual form. And they also have an added security option for you to enter in your master password reprompt as well. Once all of that is done and you have entered in all of your details depending upon your preferences, you can go ahead and click that on to save. I need to save it. And then here I have successfully created one detail into my Vault. Now you can click on New Organization where you can share all of these vaults and passwords with a smaller team, a larger company, or even your family. Right? For familial users, it also has plans for, as of now, the free one is the testing one for personal usage, and it's limited to only 2 users. Now, once you head over to the send section, here is where you can send and share encrypted information with someone. Now, to send it to somebody else, you can either send them in a file form or textual form and add in the text and, just simply send that in to that person. Now, next up, if we head over to the tools, these are the tools. This is one is a generator that would like you to be generated a username or a password or the password type. And this is going to be the place where they can generate and regenerate the password for you. There's also options to import data and export your Vault data stuff, where you can import data from your other Vaults or other platforms right here. And then there's export Vault area where you can just simply export your password details from your Vault to somewhere else. Let's just confirm the format. And once again, for added security purposes, they're going to ask your master password at every step. Now here you have a file with proper data exported in here, and you can just send that file anywhere that you like. Now, this is the report section where you can look into the security gaps in your online accounts and see that up right here. It could vary from weak passwords to exposed passwords to unsecure websites as well. So guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use bitwarden.com onto your Chrome devices.